Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to be redoing the interior of this 2018 Ford Expedition. All right guys, we have the seats pulled out of the Expedition and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed on the passenger seat. Before we install the driver's side, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the factory cloth to our new replacement leather trimmed upholstery. Like most of our kits, our 2018 Ford Expedition kit is actually designed for the original cloth to be removed before installation. As you can see, we use a similar style of attachment to the factory upholstery, including all of the necessary Velcro, push clips, and J-clip attachments. Because we designed this kit as a true replacement, once installed properly, we'll retain a factory fit and finish. All of the seat functions remain the same, including map pockets, individual seat adjustments, and carpet backing for the folding backrests on the second and third rows. Our replacement kit is also fully compatible with the factory child seat anchors and side impact airbag system. Upgrading your cloth to a LeatherSeats.com kit not only gives you a surface that is much easier to clean, but also gives you the luxury and durability of leather without having to upgrade to a more expensive trim level from Ford. This package will fit the 2018 XLT and XLT Max Expeditions. We built this kit in single-tone black with perforation in the combo sections and a matching black thread for all of the double-stitch seams. This Ford Expedition upholstery kit does include the upholstery for all 3 rows of seating. This particular kit was built using our Deluxe leather trimmed content, which mimics the amount of leather typically used in a Ford factory leather interior. The front seats have leather on the seating surfaces with matching vinyl on the sides and backs. The second row have leather on the inserts only, and the third row is all vinyl. We also offer a premium content package which upgrades the second and third row upholstery to have leather on the seating surfaces and matching vinyl on the sides like the front seats. You can also upgrade to a 100% leather kit, which is our highest leather content available. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions on the products we can offer for your Expedition, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.